Agreste is the second most populous sub-region in the northeast region of Brazil. Its settlement is ancient and began in the colonial period. Directly linked to economic activities that were seen as secondary or complementary during the period of colonial Brazil, especially raising cattle. The Agreste has great economic diversity. As the population grew, small properties were installed where family farming is practiced. There are also large beef and dairy cattle properties. The region is valued by tourism for being a region with a mountainous climate milder than the coast. Many tourists visit the hotels looking for the tranquility of life on the farms and enjoy the pleasant temperature. The landscapes are wonderful from the top of the mountain, and the people can admire the woods and forests found in the Agreste, in addition to its fauna. A wonderful historic city in the Agreste region of Pernambuco is Gravatá. It had its origin on a farm in the 19th century, the place that served as a landing for travelers who were going to sell sugar and beef. Nearby is the awesome historic city of Sairé, where tourists can enjoy the best of both cities by staying at the Hotel Fazenda Santa Fé, where you can ride horses, feed the animals, milk cows, and go on wonderful trails. Finally, the Agreste of Pernambuco and its farm hotels are a great tip for a tourist who want peace, tranquility, and contact with nature. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel. See you!